voice changer on Facebook Messenger during call. So if you want to change your voice on your Messenger call, then what you need to do is first you need to open up your Messenger application. Once you open up your Messenger, and if you go with a chat, and then if you go with the video call option on the upper side or the audio call option, then while you're on the call, you won't have an option to change the voice. So unfortunately on Facebook, we don't have that option, but how can you do it? So let me tell you that Facebook Messenger has no option to change your voice on your Messenger. The only option that you can use to change your voice on your Messenger and send it to the person is to go to the Google Play Store on your device. Once you open up your Google Play Store, then you can simply search for the voice changer applications. Once you search for the voice changer applications, you will have a lot of applications with the voice changer, and once you install it, then you'll be able to change your voice on your Messenger call. But instead of that, on Messenger, we don't have a separate option to change voice. So that's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.